Today we are going to learn water quality, important parameter for textile wet processing. In textile wet processing industry, water is widely used for different processes, and that's why quality of water is very important for textile wet processing. We get water from different sources. As per sources, water contains different types of impurities. These impurities create lot of problems during wet processing of different textile. Therefore, it is necessary to remove all these impurities from the water before use in different textile processes. It is also essential to check of quality of water before use in process. We get water from different four types of water: underground water, from surface, from sea, and rainwater. According to these sources, water contains different quality. The impurities present in water generally classified in three groups: physical impurities, chemical impurities, and biological impurities. In physical impurities, color, turbidity, taste, odor, and conductivity are concerned. In chemical impurities, acidity, gases, mineral, pH, salinity, alkalinity, and hardness are considered. While in biological impurities, microorganisms such as virus and bacteria and water bodies are considered. The another classification of impurities present in water are based on their chemical nature, and they are classified into four groups: cationic types, anionic types, non-anionic types, and gaseous impurities. Now, the water available from different sources contain different quality, and let's see which type of quality contain water as per the sources. Lake water contains organic impurities due to decompositions of plant and animals, while less amount of dissolved minerals and chemical composition is constant. While underground water is free from organic impurities, it is clear in appearance due to the filtering action of the soil, but it contains the large amount of dissolved salt. River water contains dissolved minerals like chlorides, sulfates, bicarbonates of sodium, magnesium, calcium, and iron. It also contains suspended impurities of sand, rocks, and organic matter. The composition of river water is not constant, and that's why we are very careful while we are using the river water in textile wet processing. The amount of dissolved impurities in it depends on time of contact with soil. Seawater contains higher amount of dissolved solid, and it is very saline, and therefore it is not used in industry except for cooling process. Different parameters are checking in water for use in textile wet processing. The first parameter is color. Color normally indicates the presence of soluble and suspended matters which affect the textile wet processing. The color of water is measured in terms of Hazen unit by comparing it with a color of standard solution. The another parameter is the turbidity. Turbidity is caused by scattering of light by suspended matters which may be organic or inorganic in nature. The turbidity of water is measured against a standard solution having a standard turbidity value of 1000 units. Another parameter is pH. pH is measure of H+ ion concentration, and its value indicate nature of water such as neutral, acidic, or alkaline, and that's why pH is important parameters. Another parameter is total dissolved solids. TDS comprise of organic salts and small amount of organic matter that is dissolved in water. It is measured in terms of ppm. Total suspended solids. Suspended solids are particles which are insoluble in water. These can be removed by filtration and are also measured in terms of ppm. Alkalinity. The alkalinity is due to the presence of bicarbonate, carbonate, or hydroxides ion. Alkalinity is divided into caustic alkalinity and total alkalinity. Acidity. Most natural water are buffered by CO2 or HCO3 systems. Carbonic acid is not fully neutralized until a pH of 8.2 and will not depress pH below 4.5. CO2 acidity is in the pH range of 8.2 to 4.5, while mineral acidity due to industrial wastewater is below pH 4.5 value. These all parameters are important and check before use of water in textile wet processing. Now, different effect and problems created by water quality in textile wet processing are as follow. Okay. Water quality, it increases the wastage of soap during washing. Scum adhere to fabric and exact shades of color cannot be produced on such fabric during dyeing. Salts may cause color spots on the fabric and spoil its appearance. Dissolved salts of water may react with costly dyes which gives result of impure shade and produce spot on the dyed fabric. Some dyes got duller and even scum formation happens in the hard water, and that's why water quality is important in textile wet processing. The another effect is the metal ion impurities present in water such as iron and copper creates problem in peroxide bleaching baths. Iron is responsible for reducing the brightness of many dyes and affect the final dyeing shade. Iron present in water creates lot of problem during washing of operations of textile. Hard water is responsible for scale formation in the boilers. If temporary hardness is high, the soft scales are formed which causes corrosion inside the boiler, and that's why we have to check different parameters in water before it's actually used in textile wet processing. Thank you for your kind attention.